Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Glory Mtui, and in my channel is all about tutorial step by step, makeup, and sometimes lifestyle. So for more video like this, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell so you don't miss anything when I upload. I prepare 14 section. We can count together. And the extension hair I use is Darling braiding hair, long, color number 19. And I started by pick the first section I prepare and I divide into two. I make sure one section is smaller than other. And I cross middle. And now I get this shape ready to start my lines. I attach the braiding on my yarn. Let me zoom more, then you can see more clear. And my finger is in the middle, then I start to braiding going backward. It's like this. Let me do it one more time. Hold the extension like this. Almost all of my finger, they help me to control the braiding. So my two fingers help me to hold these two sections like this. Then I continue braiding going under. After the first time braiding, I began to add hair. The first step is my last finger and then other finger help me to hold the extension to avoid the extension moving. In the middle, my thumb finger hold the middle, then I continue add hair like this. My thumb finger help me to hold in the middle to avoid the hair moving. The hair I hold with middle finger, I release it and I add hair and go. The first hold the extension with my two fingers. Middle finger help me to hold in the middle. I release the hair I hold with my middle finger, then I continue braiding. Don't forget the first section here is the smaller because when you're starting your lines you have to start with small. Then the second section here is a little bigger than number one section. Also the section number 3 must be a little bigger than number 2 section. But from the section number 4 you can put the same size till the section number 14. All this process can help you to get good shape of your lines. The more I add hair, the clear results start to be shown. Also, every time when I add hair, I make sure I split the end. And this is the last section to add. So right now I'm done with adding hair. So I'm going to continue braiding till end of this extension, and braiding is just the same direction. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If yes, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything when I upload. And don't forget to give this video thumb up, guys. I braiding till end, and after I finish braiding, I take scissor and I trim off all the excess hair to make my line clean. And this is the final result, ready for bandika or installation. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and supporting. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.